a mandate go Verydarkman nyakwụsị ikwu maka Jeremiah. Odago content of the court, the first one, content of the court, the second one. When they arrest him now for contempt of the court, ifumunai ha maputa tiwe mkpu mana wenu. Meanwhile, mbaho na adi uwa, what did they do? They are busy clapping for him. Let me tell you, he came back. He came back. Ogwande mmadu na first. Ogwande mmadu na because of intervention, yeah. Na Prophet Jeremiah are instructed to go workers here and the members of his church to stop selling all those spiritual materials. That was the lie he cooked up and sold to nde polisi na-eso ye amohono onye polisi kafa na-eso. Go. Ojecho a video, a 2 hours video program of Pastor Jeremiah. Call to all places, just few seconds or close to 1 minute. Able feel no, never want the best thing only did it. You will sail up. I say, honor, I say in the mother. Put way together. Sell what to nation ukwase. Ndacho hezioku. Ndezioku na baba nante. Now we gwafa. Na Prophet Jeremiah instructor workers here and his ministry to stop selling that spiritual material. Unknown to them, the Hamarona say, Ukwase, rather, what Prophet Jeremiah did was, for the sake of that particular program on a May, which ended, that program ended either today, yesterday, or just 2 days ago. Jeremiah will workers here. For the sake of this particular program on a May, nobody should sell that particular product in this program, that it should be free. Are you getting what I am saying? He told them, for the sake of that program on a May, in that particular program on a May, that nobody should sell all those spiritual material to anybody, that it should be given free. Ogeba Jacob to other part. Happen where Pastor Jeremiah was actually referencing. Jacob where he said something about selling all those material and sold it out to the blind people who they say. Those blind people are there so near because they don't know the truth. They are following him because they felt he is the next Ijele they can use. When he end up ebe Ijele Endre, they will all run away and look for another line where they will kill. So usually when they are following you, you will mistake it, mixed with pride, as if na far like Lego. Little Kemana, you are just a stone. Hajuena atuishe, ebehana atuishe. Go and watch that program. Pastor Jeremiah did not tell Mercy Land to stop selling his spiritual material. He instructed them not to sell that material. Now that particular program on Eme. That program end there. That is the end of that instruction. He never explained it to them, just to show them that just to massage their egos, just to make them to keep saying right on or woha chamdom, woha a first one. That is the first one. Then the second one, he told them that na ije na website Pastor Jeremiah, mana Pastor Jeremiah wupuna all those spiritual materials do na website here. Now I am asking you, have you visited that website? Have you visited that website? I challenge you today. Visit the website of Pastor Jeremiah. Is it Mercyland or Mercy City? If you go there, the whole materials Jeremiah Nele It is still 100% na that website. None of them was removed. He said it. In fact, do you know that I have argued with 1, 2, 3, or 4 of them where they are saying, no, na Pastor Jeremiah Manifo na why you we insist here, hey, listen that material. 1, then 2, why you we na website here, we will push all those materials on a website here, then you will begin to imagine. If truly, like me, before I say something, some certain things, Anamaga deeper, just to make sure that that is why if we be mwa wezu go na ekwu okwu na aba manu no nwere ife kalmobi adama abamba adama ekwu okwu ahụ out of ignorance. I am telling you what I have made research. Anamaga out of my way. Make your research. Sometimes when we make a photo news, Mr. Ebru, I will go a long distance to make sure that that news, Mr. Ebru, not reliable before I can carry it. Except no zuko news man any, I can carry it. I challenge you now to go to the website of Pastor Jeremiah. Kiwe malo na those materials. Ne wopu na website here. Kone wopu here. I don't know what the problems of our people are. Do you think that because they like homunwa wezugo? Agwakudu wezugo buruma de chinide iwe kweta we wana wenu. You can only land yourself in trouble with that hatred in wherever. Because when you say it and I come after you, you will suffer. And that definitely it does not justify whatever is need to welcome us. That is the ignorance our people need swim on but for Amaro. Now, there is one fantastic thing about that website, Pastor Jeremiah, which I want you to go and check. I took time to listen to a particular program or a video made by one guy. Then I went back myself to go and make research. I want you to go to the website of Pastor Jeremiah. Ebe o display all those products on ele. When you go there, like I said, those products can do 100% there in that website. But you will notice that now, no well account number are attached. Never where when you want to order that product, you pay into that account. I want you to go and pay attention to that account number. Go there and pay attention to that account number. You will find out that that account number belongs to a charity organization. You will find out that that account number, Pastor Jeremiah Tileba, belong to a certain charity organization. What it means is that every single product that the money is not coming to the church, but the money is going direct into the bank account of a named and a particular charity organization, which I will leave you to go and find out. I am telling you, the highest thing you can do for somebody is to tell that person the truth. Do not use that person where Golombo. Some of you knew, some of you know that Verydarkman now that Nukutiwu, as far as Nigerian Constitution is concerned. You dare not go against the order of the court. Otherwise, content of the court. Unana akolo yaka opana ne loko na hammano ose na ahụ amake. Opana ne loko na hammano se na ahụ amake. Opana ne loko na hammano ose na ahụ amake. Does it mean that na a competent court a competent court in Nigeria knew an instruction, an order restricting you from talking about so and so thing ime onwegu na-edo above the law, ime onwegu na-edo above the court, ime onwegu na-edo superior than the court. It can make the same thing. A wish you talk about that ikpe na court. The same court do lenient enough to you to maintain status quo of the other hangelu before, cautioning you again to respect the order of the court. You went back again. You started again, going contrary to the orders of the court. When they arrest you tomorrow and you go in, the same people who refuse to tell you the truth will come back and start seeking for fake justice for you. In their mind, in their mind, how about what you are taking is what you deserved. I keep telling people, look, allowing pride to drive you is not wisdom. Wisdom is usually when you allow your... Imagine if Goliath did not face David that day. Okay, now David bulu Goliath. Then na he ne feel no how they were your ancestors. Ha mamaka story of David and Goliath. We gwaru itetola okuko choba also gugbawa na ịma ho na oji abani we pu eze enu. Ndị ancestors ga ha na ndị delu Bible atụrụ nzu ha wee gwaru na itetola n'ụtụtụ ọkụkọ ịmako n'iyi ewolo osisi pịa were ọkpa gbanye ọkụkọ elu. Ọkụkọ ahụ chụba gị ọsọ n'ụtụtụ gụ na agba na ịma ho na ọkụkọ ahụ oji abani we pu eze enu. That is indirectly what the story of David and Goliath portrays. Do not allow your pride to lead you into a pit. Yadru difficult. I know that it's too difficult to resist pride, especially when you have people who are massaging that your pride and your ego. It will be difficult for you to retreat. Court will have the final place. How they have the power and the right to restrict your movement for as long as they want. Agunkwo neri ifi wuwu esikewo. Ife wuwu atụrụ nọleba atụrụ and okpodokayo nọleba na ege m ntị ebe nọ we karịghị ụwụ na ị ga-egegido m ntị hia ịpụ ebe a n'ozu ka ya apụ na peji a ịpụọ na peji a ozu ga ya ebupụ ihe esi etu a jide fonu wu n'aka ya ma mgbe fonu ahụ dapụ na ahụ ide ebe ahụ abịabụla ozu bupụ. I challenge you, si na life apụọ ịma na nne mụrụ gị omusiri gị ike. I challenge you, si na life a nọ na ezuzuru pụọ na ịma na nne mụrụ gị omusiri gị ike. Agwa m nne nwere time ụmụ ofeke dọka ọnụ. The highest thing you can do for yourself is to come to my life. Nọlụ dia na watch life. Make sure no. The moment he exhibit or ofeke behavior here, I wash you off immediately. I wash you off. As in a ofeke is considered wise. Is considered wise unless in ikuloku. So what if you will ofeke be na page here? In oluko ofeke ekunoku. Because the moment ikuloku, he goes guy na toloke ewu. He goes guy how much of ewu. Ngwa kuoku ke challenge you. You can only write one line. I can finish you in 20 speeches. That is to show you that na ema hife. If na ema hife, agbara in camera, e bia na watching na given neku, e no kwa eba na ase, but you are listening. Upon na me common sense, but you are here listening to me. Yeah? The same common sense you know nwelu we fe de very jele ebo no today. Common sense so na ha optanibo here. It has to take people a more common sense to go and perfect his bell condition. What of ono wa muife? What of ono mwisi zuroke? What of ono wa the wise? What of ono wa nwere ife niile? You people failed to perfect his bell condition. It has to take in daily. It has to take onyohi. It has to take onye amụma ụgha. It has to take onye amụma ụgha. It has to take ekwensu in human form to go and perfect his bell condition when wise people like you are still in Igbo land. If I will continue again to do what I did for Ijele. How I wish that Ijele had inner eyes and Ijele were wisdom to see that it was actually people like us who never wanted him to end up a bono today. What if he had listened to us? What if he had at least balanced his messages and come out from that deeper part? They kept on clapping for him. Not that na famaro ni phone madroma, but because they don't really care about him in person. They are only interested in what he is doing, which is beneficial to them. That is exactly what they are doing to the Verydarkman today. And people like me will still come here and drop this video today so that it can be a reference point tomorrow when I start giving it to the Verydarkman. Woto. I will always make reference to this video and the like other 2 or 3 videos. You get my point? Not only that Nakoto Gwalogo desist from talking about this share. Content of the court can order for your arrest, deny your bail, in detention there. Yes, Prince Olis, you are welcome back, brother. You are welcome back, and God will guide you back to a bonus way better. I've met people. Yesterday, while I was on Zion ground, I met one of our brother who came back from South Africa. There are many of our brothers and sisters who came back from America, who came back from China, who came back from UK, who came back from so many countries around the world just to come to Ngwapala. Onye nwere ego ada agba ticket. Oga Darlington anyị na Zambia. Onye Imo State gbara anyị na aha eji iwe agba ticket. Na iwe wewom, I must be in Nigeria tomorrow. Nwanne ejighị iwe ọkụ agba ticket. Your pocket must be ready for you to buy a ticket. So now you will tell me that now somebody mailaka na akpa ye wopụta over 2 million. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha wopụta close to 3 million naira. We buy ticket oji we bia program na Ngopala. Staying in Nigeria plus other family people all ya attending to based on non-atago. The person may end up spending over 5 million naira so no be a crusade. Ngumwe 100,000 na account ho. You need to go and examine yourself. If you do wise, use it to go and break the bank. I'm telling you. You see? Okay, Austin Ibe, ewu atoro. Ewu atoro. Neno Austin Ibe, ewu atoro. Ifele, unu niile lakiri shame. Ifele ahemono. Unu ifele ne me. Iya biangu na page ya na make reference to Ijele case. Ijele that you people failed. Ijele that you people disappointed. Ijele that you people let down. You even have the face to come to this page and then make reference to Ijele case that is going to haunt you. Ifele omesha go. Ifele omesha go. Ina chonyo ya hunt. Kelonyo ya hunt. The fact is that Ndi Ijele mechalo release yeye. Ndi Ijele mechalo melu yebele release yeye. You people should be. If they supposed to read the moon in Nigeria, I was waiting that now. I must also keep talking about Verydarkman because I am seeing him going in a more deeper place than Ebe Ijereba. And that time, they will also tell you reason why they abandoned Verydarkman. Today, they are now telling us the reason why Ijele is still suffering there. Mind you, these are the same people who now go right on. Today, they are now telling us that na Ijele no sa Ndi Igbo. Is it that na ha moro Ijele na no sa Ndi Igbo mgbe ha na agwa Ijele who a force to reckon with? Have you seen why I am telling you, for as long as you allow your pride to drive you, they will use you, even if they don't have anything personal love. They will still use you for their own selfish reasons. Onye obuna follow Verydarkman n'anya at this time, we tell him, my friend, respect the order of the court. Respect the order of the court. Oh, if you follow n'anya, imagine nebe you know na muna go a friend court you know than isi nolofo in full content of the court. Kerife do expected na mwa your friend as a very good friend of yours. What do you think I can do for you? If not to tell you to retreat. But they will not tell him to retreat. Oh. They will keep clapping for him. They will keep clapping for him because they want to use him to get to the church without minding that what they are doing to that boy is not to his best interest. They are more interested in church either than Verydarkman. He maintain his freedom. Have you seen John Dado? If not, now he resorted to lying to them. He or resort to that if you see the people I was arguing with, now Jeremiah who go through spiritual items on the website here. If you see the people I was arguing with, if you see the people I was arguing with in Jeremiah in the church here, hallelujah, spiritual material. If you see the people I am arguing with, these are people who can completely make a research about it and find out what the truth is. But for these reasons best known to them, has already got verified that news. They just have to believe it simply because they just want to see it that they find Verydarkman may not. They just want to see it. I don't one guy you pull up. That guy, but that guy is very, very intelligent. That guy is sorry. Does it mean that yes, na Pastor Jeremiah, everyone make a Verydarkman, what to spiritual materials here from website here? The guy will drive USA. Since they started saying that, how many of them have revisited that website, Jeremiah, to confirm if it is true? No bidogo, no kusigo, ile daten. They don't want to visit. They don't want to care. They just want to believe that the Verydarkman has done it. That is exactly what they want to believe. They want to believe in their mind. They want to massage that their ego, that a Verydarkman can do and undo. Believe me, it is not as if they truly believed in the ability or capacity of the Verydarkman generally. But for this sake, where pastors and churches seem to involve, they are willing to even go down with the most ofeke Igbo for as long as they faho actually we know about that. Did I not tell you people that Nafa like he jelly? Okay, if I say now that I am a prophet, are you going to deny it that I'm not a prophet? I said it during the time of Ijele. I checked Mercyland website. All those spiritual items are there with the price tags. Thank you very much. So, Opuluna, all those materials do there with the price tags still on them intact. Kerife Batala Hajuecho, he believed that imaginary story that it has been taken down from the Mercyland website. Even when it is a lie. Prophet Jeremiah instructed his workers that for the sake of this program Oneme, that nobody should sell those materials to anybody during at this program Oneme, that it should be given to people free. Until that program Oneme end there, that program has ended and they have resumed selling that product. You will ask yourself, can these people who believe every lie without even arguing or without even verifying, just to support that their ego that they are progressing? A progress up to today, you cannot see any physical something to show that they are progressing. I said to my mind, okay, let me use this Ngopala crusade as a test to know if truly that this message, these people, I want to see people drop back from this crusade. I was wrong after all. People actually started arriving that venue 5 to 6 days to that event, to that 3 days program. That they started arriving 5-6 days to 1 week all over Ngopala, Obokwe, Alolo, Ntu, Kelafaya, Kelafayagasi, all those places around has been filled with people. Who are those people? I mean, there are more than 3,000 to 4,000 people. See, America alone, we're being Ngopala for this crusade. I ask myself, can if these people genuinely wasted their precious time? According to the program, one guy in Gelu, that guy draw no, not challenge the Verydarkman. Also, no, a Christian before. No, the Jeboka. No, not challenge you. Now, have a church on a gambo. Kamalo. It still confirmed what I have been saying. That all these people who put out today, about church, do not mistake them to be ndesi from church. They don't converted. None of them was even a member of any church before. Say na your papa and your mama noka doesn't mean na go no way you na joka. Nda wunde no no guru or you were poor. Do not mistake them to be converts. We have never lost anybody. Yes, instead we are getting people. Don't think that now all these people you are seeing. No, these are people who stopped going to church. They are not going to church even a long time before Matthias even started this message. So you can look at somebody to Kagulu today. You will tell me that Nagulu ne joker. Kulu had a jeboka before. I've said it before. Even Mba Hyperimpe, say 10-15 years ago to 20 years ago. Obosoka in a Jeko Capitana field. If you don't na Bobble. On when the Obosiaho Kahaji Aswapa. When the Wobosia Kahaji Bunwa. When the Wobosia Kahaji Jakolaji interstate. And we can see Anambra State. Nawalo were Jebirindo. All those people regroup today. Sego church. Church Jigarese. Steramariza Makasre me from UK to Nigeria. Steramariza Maka, in Weriki Gwaye go ne war ticket. Ijuwesi UK, we be Nigeria for crusade in Ngopala. In Weriki Gwaye. Then you will tell me that somebody spent this amount of money. We have a plane. We be Nigeria for a 3 days crusade. Jena Ngopala kete ifunda mwada na so foreign. Yeah? Woman furu bumbomba Range Rover. If go Range Rover, iya mana Range Rover park. No nya just la. If you go look at the woman no to nya no here na ebi. You need to ka gba na mmadụ na agba America ka si we bata. You got to go. If go the Range Rover, iya mana if a motor park. You got to go. No nya batalo. Book that motor buri we be Ngopala. These are the people you are preaching to. According to the guy will say, need a joker. Opening a joker. Go all Verydarkman or Alpha Church ye born aga. Then or joke say, or people go these materials. We complain about these materials. You want to go? The answer is no. Or again. You that has been complaining about these materials. He spent the go one kobo or blokwala Verydarkman ujewe. That one wala. Or just to decide the ujewe ala. All thanks to him for patronizing Pastor Jeremiah. He doesn't know what he has done. Only God will bless him for what he has done. Only because na ego niile na-eleta na that product na-aga straight to the charity organization. Onye no here na-ajụ anyị kelu ndị board of that charity organization. Let him come out here and ogulu ogo na koka moto fail break. He is all over Facebook platforms, yet nobody is noticing him. As broken as a ejike moment of truth to see a sound, still some people they notice ejike moment of truth. As broken as a to see a sound. Guru is everywhere. He has started creating multiple accounts, yet nobody is noticing him. Omege polo ono ye we semo kelunde no on the board of that charity organization. Ke we malundo we joye kelunde no na the board of Igbo Love Themselves Charity Foundation. You see what I'm saying? When you use the same stone, had you weto ha hebido beba akwa hebido gbageriwe. Mati nwa mama gwala aye we si aye no onye do signatory to the account of Igbo Love Themselves Charity Foundation. Ebe a na-eti ego a na-ewolu weje na-agwọ ndị mmadụ. Na onye ahụ na nyanwa enwe access to that account. Na ife ha ma ha need ego, they will tell him, he will call the bank and authorize the money. Onye ahụ je wote no nwanyi ka owu. I ask a question. Is this person not answerable to you? Number one. Number two, kelonye this girl ya zakweritu. Who employed her? Who will fire her? Who is she answerable to? Igotago, hagbapota na agba tikiti. The same question he has asked. Him sometimes Hannah, I forget that as you appointed somebody aka na aka ndo so okwe for nka she got back to me. Okwe for eta na atom. So the only way to run away from these four fingers is by not even pointing this one. Because when you don't point this one, nobody will be pointed at. Not even yourself. So Guru, if you like, start a business of creating multiple accounts. We don't care. We don't care. We don't care. If I hear na chugari bo onye ozo makpube na zuno ben. Onye lele enwe. Goro nkota. Ife mmakpuka no ben. Onye lele enwe goro nkota. Ife mmakpuka no ben. You people should mercy for that guy, Verydarkman. The way I am seeing him. Hey! Ife na funisi ebe that guy, you know. Yeah? We fem follow na bijere no njiwe bido n'oge tibe mkpu. Ntibe mkpu ndị mmadụ si na ezugo wugo no ntibe mkpu. Today, those people afubuho the faces ha yeji we bia sem but ezugo you said it. I saw it. And nke Verydarkman will even look more bad because it is him versus the court and not an individual. That is the pride. It is left for him to choose between pride and wisdom. Franco Wellaby, thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah? You see, it is left for him to choose between pride and wisdom. Remember, there was a time in Matthias' journey when he was faced with two options. To either embrace his pride or choose wisdom. I was so shocked that at that time, Matthias chose wisdom and ran away from pride. Yes. If not, he would have been the first person Ayeju made practical of what is happening to Ijele today. I'm telling you, he would have been the first person Ayeju made that practical and test of what is happening to Ijele today. But he shows wisdom. Yes. Remember, when they took him to Abuja, yeah, he went down on his knees and started begging. The whole force headquarters. he was begging. Amadiko Baka, I greet you, sir. Yeah? Edison Johnson, thank you, sir. Onwa Mbawa, thank you. You see, he started begging. Now, when they released him, he came down to the east and started making mouth again, despite all the agreement he is meant to sign. He was supposed to come back for a press briefing and speak to his people. In that press briefing, there are specific things they needed him to say. Maximus Patrick, I greet you. Yeah? They needed him to say. He came back, disregarded what he was meant to do, and started gallivanting again with pride. Now, his lawyers was called upon to produce him on Monday or Tuesday in Abuja. Remember, go back to my videos. I made a video on Wednesday urging people who love Matthias to caution him and tell him to do the needful. Otherwise, that by Monday or Tuesday, that Matiwa Mama will be arrested again. In fact, in that video, I made it very clear that his lawyers has been written to provide him on Monday or Tuesday, and that when he steps his foot into that place, he will be detained again. I made that video. Go back to that time, Emelo Matiko arrest. I made that video today. In 2 days' time after I measured that video, we made that live. Omelu to bata confusion that group of but to be honest, the man shows wisdom over pride. The man shows his family over Guru Ezigbo. The man shows his business over Guru Ezigbo. Yes, imagine if the man has started listening to Guru, who cannot even contribute even a 20,000 to the KC Ijele. Imagine if Mathematico has listened to Ijele. Whether the agreement on when Abuja, by now, only God knows what could have been his fate. So sometimes, I even know Matiko, Matthias mama, Mati mama. You want to go? He shows wisdom, and today the rest is the history. That is what Asero, that wisdom is profitable to direct. Look, all wonu, right on, Megidola ahoho, weri gido, we batano wa elephant. We shefuo, na ofu zoba elephant zoro, we like enwadi ahoho 100 no kosiri no fuebe bo be yaba. Yes, he shows his family over Guru. Yeah, Leviticus said, yes, I remember that video. When I made that video, I got if I would a classified information. I got that information direct. I got that information direct. That no that this guy failed. It was this video address his people. That on Monday, Tuesday, he is going in. And that when he goes in this time, it's going to be a long thing. He shows wisdom. And I commended him for that. That was very brilliant. You want to go? Ikemba Gwalaye, that a living corporal is better than a pied general. Because a living corporal will be there to tell his story. But a pied general will never have the opportunity to tell his stories. You want to go? Yes, Ogamadiko Baka, you are 100% right on that one. So he shows wisdom. Now, in the case of VDM, I've studied VDM very well. I have seen that VDM was born and bred in Nigeria here, but it seems like he is a reason okay, can I reply kwa Guru Ezigbo once? He said, Nande Ogwegwe, according to Kerife Abodroha, also non the ESN, Melu, ne intimidate ho, Matthias. Then I asked him, after the ESN, no, Mechalo, ne intimidate ho, Matthias. On the ESN, Kagwari, and Yaposna Febukobi. On the ESN, Kagwari, and Yaposna Zion Ministry. On the ESN, Kagwari, and Yaposna Fak Zion, and the other pastors. On the ESN, one baby virgin. I am asking you. On the ESN, you face your business here. We was here that Etua is Verydarkman order that you should stop talking about that Jeremiah. Or the same way, case mathematical mama. Ultimately that you should stop talking about evangelist Bukobi. In fact, our erudite learned colleague, our learned and erudite law personnel, even started lecturing him na his office. Ana akuziri ona amuka mgberesi n'enu da. Oheba akụ ụfọdụ n'ime ha no we no oyiwo na-akpọ innuendos. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha anugo oyiwo ha na-akpọ innuendos since nne ji we mu ha. Eba ka nwoke no we tụpụ that grammar we kwahieru ha ya Matthias we bido use we innuendos today. That is why you will hear my baby virgin today and no more Ebukobi Zion Ministry Zion Jeremiah. You cannot hear it today. I say on the ESN. Oh no, much I laugh at you people. I hear kupu mmiri no simili. Iwo look up. Ije na River Niger. Ne kumiri do na River Niger. Sene ga na ekupu ya. Ebe ki na ekuje. Okwani mmiri ya wi na ekupu na abashi. Even ebe ahi kusari ya. It will still find its way back into the river bank. Yes. Mana eziokwu igwa mmadu nke ya do constant. Iwu Verydarkman na anda na nke ikpeazụ a is not even against Jeremiah. It is not against the church. Yeah? It is not against Ezugo. It is not against Ogamadi go back. Yeah? But against the court of law. Against the court of law. Why rush to the court when you don't believe in the process? That is what I am asking you. Yes, you have been using the police, you have been going to the court, but when court gives a verdict, when God, those Emmanuel, thank you very much. When court gives their judgment, you will prove to be superior than the court. Who has ever done that in Nigeria? I laugh in Okigbe. I laugh at him because when you people started talking about justice for Ijele, it looks like within 1 week, Showore posted him. It even got to a time whereby Namwa Amolofo Potayugele Oduki Ijele ko Afa. Ona put on Facebook, be celebrate here. 6 months down the line, you failed to get him out. Accept that you people failed him. Accept that you people failed him. And by the virtue of you people failing him, I thank all of you bunch of failures. That is what you people are. Yes. 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 I am defending it. I am defending it with all my chest. I am defending if I hate scam with all my chest. What I go? A jino mofuaka webuye. Eji maka na wolu mi isimu webuye. So that you know. So that you know. If you want that one wakarele ye. eziokwu ịgwalụ mmadụ karịla asị na atụrụ onye a ka onye ahụ were enwe aṅụrị because asịrị na ọkụkọ ijiji ntị ike na-eso ozu ana n'iri. Ijele today ọkwụnnakeye nọ na detention, Gulu nọ na Ghana na-emerụ business ọ na-emerụ. Imagine if Matthias had not used his senses. Today onye ya da couple tipa. Today kere onye ya eje mepe chemist a emepelu n'Ogidi. Today kere onye ya da awagharị n'ụwa na Enugu State na-achọ ana ọ ya eji eme real estate business. Who will do that? Do you know the things oya eluzu na ọwụrụ na no hapụrụ wisdom wee soro mpako? Then ndị gwarago na mpako buru ụzọ ọdụdụ ekpere azụ. Yes, ọ nọrọzi ebe a ọ na-afụ imejọfụ nwunye ya wit ụmụ ya guru a na-akwụgharị na Ghana were ọkpa were ụkwụ na-eje aba na Ghana. Iwere ụkwụ ị na-eje aba na Ghana nyanwa nọrụzie n'ime paakị ya Highlander ya paakị ya 330 ya ka onye n'anya nke ijele dudunu hehe ijele enwe moto ijele nọ n'oguru oyi wepụ. So either ways it is only freedom ka nyanwa. So it's also the only thing ijele lose today is freedom. You lose any other thing. You lose any comfort. When you have a lot to lose. The same thing with Verydarkman. He doesn't really have much to lose. Because that guy here will not care disadvantage your way in so many places because of pride. Yes. Yes. That guy, I'm a Verydarkman. A ship gonna society. I've been here today. You have to be wise for you to survive in the society I've been here today. So, will not care disadvantage your way. Ocheno nyawu the only person putagoro na Facebook. Don't lucky. Once you lose that originality, people say, well, your failure is imminent. Your failure is not too far from where you are standing. When you lose that originality, people will know your failure will not be too far from Ebaheku. Yes, I heard somebody saying that there was a time he used to love the Verydarkman. The same thing with all of us. The same thing with all of us. There was a time we used to love him. It's not that we actually hate him, but he left what we knew him for. He left the very foundation where he is standing and started playing lofo game just to please umofeke when he hammer. You want to go? You see? Kelly Kelvin ifubo ife kamgbakwa ife mgbala onye nke ni isi na live program apụọ iwuru onye ofeke iwuru ezigbote ofeke. I dare you to leave this live program. Isi na live program apụọ imana enwaghị ife. Imana enwaghị ife. I command you to watch this program till it ends. Mana ese na enwaghị pụọ ka mfo unu pụzie kịta ka yiye egwu ebe ị na-eme na enwaghị ife. Pụọ ka yiye egwu now. Pụọ na this program now ka yiye egwu. Yeah? Akwago m unu na the best thing ofeke ye eme is to close your mouth, because the moment you talk, you go sigo ndị mmadụ ife ewu. Yotago so ebe na program a asofeke ewu mechie ọnụ. Even if you want to comment, disagree or criticize constructively and responsibly. That is the only way your criticism will be allowed here. Mana ịbịa here chọọ ka igosi ya ife ewu enyere ndị aka dowere ebe ya nọ ọfụma. Remember, ọnụ ahụ ejebe ọnụ gbara aka ife mbụ ife awụ ọnụ ọbụla ọhọfon ahụ ekwu okwu ife a mbụ ọnụ na-eye mmeghe ọnụ m kịta ka mgbala okwu asọsọ ama emeghelu ọnụ n'isi mmeghelu ọnụ n'isi mmeburi n'ofu carton zoro bita dowe in like that mechie ya ka iwe mara how wide and how big ọdụ. So when you are coming here, were amaghị ife ha ahụ tinye n'okpuru ike ụnọdụ ya ana were nzuzu ahụ debe eberu wee bịa here. If you want to disagree with what I am saying here, disagree ka onye mu ife. Disagree ka onye mu ife. Criticize constructively. Onwe ka mmadụ si criticize ife. Onwe ka mmadụ si disagree with something. Ka onye mu ife. Mana ị bịa here achọ ka igosi m na ịma ife na nne ya azụ ọ ga-azụ. Na ịlaka home training. Na ịma ife that na bịa from the gutters. I will take you to that gutters where you come from. With at the snap of my finger you are off. How many of you keep coming back after a commentary? Nonsense. Egbo ekpokwa udo ọzọ. Woto nke iwoje isi na na-epụta wee chọba ọzọ iyede. Isi na na-epụta wolu your hate debe somewhere. I don't need it. I don't even care whether they like him. So ịbịa back ịbịa gọọ m iyi ka i wee gosi na ịkpọrọ m asị. I don't care. Ihe ewere aka ahụ shipụta ọkpa gị ama apịara ihe nga apịara ihe bee okerekere gasa. What if na imechiri ọnụ bụrụ hatred ya knowing that na onwe ife nji eme ndị nke ụnụ fụrụ n'anya na-ata afụfụ ndị nke ụnụ fụrụ n'anya na-esu emu in England. Is it not because of love unu na-eklem na unu nwere ebe Verydarkman nọ ọkwanya ka unu ji akwa ihe na nga oya eje eje nga oya eje eje. Yes, ekwuzina and ọkọt nyere uwe ọdụ ekwuzina ndị sịrị na ha fụrụ n'anya na-akọrọ ya akasị ukwube. Ekwuzina ndị sịrị na ha fụrụ n'anya na-akwa ịgụsịwu bụ kwube na onye pụọ na St. Mary's enie agbawuo ya ndị fụrụ n'anya sịgụ gaba. Onwe any logical something fụrụ there. Onye fụrụ n'anya ya sịgụ agana si ụzọ mee ihe like this. Even if no nwere ka ihe esi wee ga wee ruo na St. Mary's ahụ onye fụrụ n'anya ya chọ ka o show a better way ha esi wee gwa ka i wee ga in disguise to that place, but don't go direct because na ha amụ ife ya emeghu na ilu ebe ahụ. That is what love is all about. Mana because na some of you they are from a background where you grew up with so much hate, so much bitterness among sisters, amongst brothers. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu bidoro n'ụwa ọgụ Armageddon mgbe unu nọ na family level. Ọ na mụnwa wezugo ka ị ya afụ, ị ya achọ ka ị gosi that your behavior. Ọmụ ka ị ya afụ. Yes, ọmụ ka ị ya afụ gbanwee ife eji wee zụ. Environment ebe itoru du so toxic that na even that ọnụma ị na-esise nwunye go na ebi n'ụlọ. Ọmụnwa wezugo ka ọ ya wefuzie gbanwee. So some of you ana ma ewuru behavior unu na-eme na-eti ihe na the kind of family ebe unu si wee to. So problem unu bidogodo from family level. So anyị ejegodo na family level change that mindset eji wee zụrụ. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu nọ like this, your dad na-etigo your mom na-etigo your dad. So you grew up understanding that language. That is the only language in our understanding. Maybe, kurie. So, is it me in this your adult stage that will come and swallow? So, if nene na nna go nene, mwa wezugo ka ishoro, ka mbia muwe isigu, ka mwenye wote osuzo aka iwe wolie. Mmebu onwemo. Mana, okwe ma obi ojo ni na ahụ. Okwe amusu ni na ahụ na ata. Nyoye ka mmiri kpụrụ ya n'ọnụ na ịbịa na peji a. Because the moment ịbịa na peji a chọọ ka igosi onwe gị. Nwanne agbago na o nwewara inu my uncle tụrụ n'ụtụtụ a oge anyị na-eme meeting n'ụtụtụ a. My uncle sịrị na ekwe ha karịa agba ya osisi eji wee tụọ. Ekwe ya karịa agwa ya osisi eji wee tụọ ya. So if you come here, you behave yourself. If you want to criticize or disagree with what I am saying, you do it responsibly. Don't come here to show me they like him. Because when you find likeness in the first place, based on Nando no likely, na tafufu. Yes. Nando no likely na tafufu. Ono follow ijele n'anya, mana onye kpọrọ ya asị, mmelu ka o meet ebe condition ya. Kele bunu niile furu ya n'anya no. Ana m ajụ na ajụjụ. Unu furu ijele n'anya. mana onye kpọrọ ya asị melu no meet bell condition ye kele ụdị ịfụnanya unu na-enwe ebe ndị mmadụ nọ. I am asking you, ọ bụrụ nọ nke a wife unu na-akpọ ịfụnanya, I dodge it in Jesus name. I dodge it in Jesus name. Kele ife ndị mmadụ yeji wee je wolu ife dị ma ha. Sometimes use wisdom. I am making this video as a reference point to the Verydarkman. You gotta go to the Verydarkman. Oh, well, something happened to the day. You people are the reason why Ebukobi is having problem. You people are the problem of Evangelist Ebukobi. Because Evangelist Ebukobi or complain with that alone, no way problem. I am asking you people, are you people going to no as in the crucify Ebukobi, as mouthpiece of Evangelist Ebukobi? So when you people say, no, the problem of Ebukobi, what will the solution of Ebukobi? Is that not so? Where will the solution? Una change go overnight. What the mouthpiece of Evangelist Ebukobi? You people should leave him alone. Leave him alone. Yeah? The man may move wrong way even without minding that some of you are existing or not. And that is it. Ebukobi won't make any of you his mouthpiece. He has never even mandated any of you to speak on behalf of his this thing. In fact, one of the videos in TV online, did you not see when I posted that video? Yes, because they started maintaining that peace, love. Little did we know that Ndi they show love. I've said this in my program before. Somebody look at Verydarkman. I can understand Verydarkman. Sometimes that guy na bagwa anamafu omumeye beyond what you people see on Facebook. From that guy ka onye nwelu bear from a rough path growing up to adult. I am seeing that guy as somebody who took a lot of hard decisions, who went through unpleasant ways to arrive at the adult stage Ebono today. So, people like that, when they are behaving, onweka behavior hanado. Yes. People like them, people have na act or na behave, you can understand. You want to move with the crowd. You want to be sharing the crowd. Yeah, can you share the crowd because Nafan is share back without thinking about tomorrow, without thinking about where you are. Okay, if you want to do that, do it in a place where you are right, where you are covered. That is the wisdom from Allah in a bendamo. You can never see me going out of line. Need somebody in Agwam the other day and say, I challenge Matthias to call police and come and arrest me. Can you prove that we are wiser and we are far? One single statement, if any not compare when we were warning them, we were warning them to say, be wise, or something. If you want to talk to me direct without going through the corners. So, only got through the corners, he's not a coward. He's not a coward. If you are there to pass your message your message has been gotten. If you want to show strength now. Like if you want to do show of power, we have done show of power countless times, and we have seen Ebonyo wanna belong. But I am telling you, all ketana ijele show of power. Okawo arrest here today or patakwana mgbedo bosia. Mo wa arrest here today. Opataka nechi niile. That is show of power. To show that if he name na ikariri ye. Okari hetu a. But I keep asking myself, can if kasiri hobby na all the I am not even in doubt that Verydarkman will still go down the way Ijele Suwega because they make a lot of noise. Now they have started arguing the same way as we now argue during the time of Ijele. Some of them actually called me. I spoke with them on phone. They were telling me, no, na ya mhodo onye Ijele wu. Na ya mhodo onye Ijele wu. Na ye kana mu onye Ijele wu amu. Mwesi onya, so Ijele do this powerful. I am also na mamobu. Ijele do very powerful. Say, wow. So are you telling me that Ijele do more stronger and more connected than the whole Southeast governors? Also na ma what hodo. Ijele na work with the presidency. Say, wow. I mean, wow. Say, the guy na operate secretary. Hasim ne buko bi ti aka ebi Ijele no Ijele ata ebuko obi. Na akosayo ti aka ebi Ijele no Ijele ata ebuko obi. Na yeshe no ifa emelu mathematical nwa mama. Nwe say, oh, talk to me. I want to hear. Na ba. Olukwa one day. I remember na that day I went with my cousin to one place. Ebe my cousin jeri general treatment. Nanko Life Hospital. Isiagu Christmas Plaza. Ebe I come to my cousin Jane that day. I answered 2 calls from 2 people. Those people challenged me and said, "Obulu na ndị Zion say na ha mu ife ha na-eme that they should go and arrest Ijele." Say, is that so? That they should go and arrest Ijele. Na ebe aka ha ya no wefo if Ijele do made up. At the end of the day, Ijele na kpuru na cage. Keku ke nkota and not even English dog. Iwatago. Ijele na kpuru na cage. Keku ke and not even English dog. Now, the same Ijele mgbe ahụ na-ekwu okwu IPOB. Yeah? Mgbe ahụ na-ekwu okwu IPOB. The same Ijele ha na-asị, I dare you to come to Anambra. Ijele isi na ike na anyị ọkụ nata na southeast. Kedu ife na-epiogharị na Abuja? Kedu ife na-ezogharịrị? Ọkwụ that same Ijele ha sịrị nata anyị Igbo ka ịkọlet ya woto. Ọkwụ that same Ijele ka ụfọdụ n'ime ha turn kwaziri back where realize how strong and how connected he is. That is to show you, is that love. Now they have started telling us name with forces behind the Verydarkman. They have started telling us name with forces behind the Verydarkman. Now Verydarkman, now in fact somebody spoke in English also. Name with technocrats. Also not technocrat. Now behind the Ijele. Yes. Builder onye ugwu ifubo ife. Okwe mo the content nka na create. Ofeke do kago ya noru hia na egeye. Inwe any choice. Ofeke do kago ya no hia na ege. This content in chuzuru is to educate ofeke do kago. Builder onye ugwu. Iwotago. Amara mi fe na build. Amon na iberibe uke na field. Amon na amara ife uke na build. Amon no nsokwu nke na agba ke na build. Igotago mana isokwusha na page a isokwuru puo. Igotago isokwusha na page isokwuru puo. This particular content I have chosen to do, I will not end it anytime soon. Je kwisi na kota. Je short transformer hang ya. Je di na etiti kota ka tipa ria elu. Tipa mathematical. Kwe matipa ifo ona akụkọ si na obose. Je nti na dia. Koria elu. Okay, my this page we buy here and ega negeye. Post a video, you must come and watch it. You don't have any choice. You don't have any choice. I won't go no here. I won't go no here. Maybe you do your iberiberism now. How will I fail when you are actually listening to me? How can you say that I have failed? I need audience who will watch me. I am here speaking and you are there listening. You are even replying to what I am saying. Ogo say that the content is going. What is content without people watching? What is content without people listening? Us in jobless guy. What can you be selling in the market without attracting attention of people? What I am selling here has attracted your attention. Iberi na agba ya agba ma ife iwu ofeke amụọ mgbe ekere nkụ ụkwa. Iwu ofeke amụọ mgbe ekere nkụ ụkwa. Ọkụ chọrọ ịkọ ọnụ. Bịa ka ọnụ ofeke. Bịa ka ọnụ ofeke. Bịa ka ọnụ ofeke. A jobless guy to come ka iwepụtara time jegoro data. Tii na phone wu ka ị bịa wash ya. Ife la ahụ emewu. A jobless guy to come. I am here keeping you busy. You are there listening. Yeah? You are there listening. Yeah? You are here listening. Ipweba. Eh? Ipweba. It will be the greatest of all time. In fact, Ndeneba ensure that this builder guy there over 10,000 comments here. It is building the engagement of this page. In fact, there over 100 or 200 comments here. You are building the engagement of this page. Yes, sheep popularity. I have gotten your popularity. That popularity has gotten to you. At least you know me today. When you see me tomorrow, you will shout, Ezugo. I get more of that every day. Is that not Ezugo? Ezugo, I'm your fan. Mandena go iyo. You want to go? Mandena go me iyo. Ezugo, I'm your fan. I say, oh. I can say hell. I held back. That is the popularity I am looking for. That popularity, I have gotten it. That popularity, I have gotten it. We will go back to what we were talking about. Because the chef will make them go. Now, they have started telling us now how powerful the Verydarkman is. They have started now glorifying the Verydarkman. They have started dressing him up. They have started decorating him. Hey, to when you go, Oluho. Just because no na agba ha chọrọ ka ọ na-agba. I ask myself and say, hey, ogono dị ife a. Ajụrụ nwata ife gburu nne ye. Ọ sị na ọwa eju. Ajụọ nwata gono gburu nna ya. Ọ sị na ọwa eju. Ajụọ nwata ogono ka iji n'aka. Nwata sị na ọwa eju. Ewe jụọ nwata ndụ ọ na-agụdukwa owu. Nwata anụ ndụ ọ na-agụdukwa owu. Build onye ejijere egwu. I will keep replying to you. I have a job that can feed you and your family. If you want to come, I can share some with you. Yeah? Over. We move. You want to go? So, the moment they start glorifying somebody who you know that no one will forge, don't forget that na onye ha na-eto gwara anyị during the time of Okwuluọra Ndi Igbo wee sị anyị mba Okwuluọra during the time eji jele o wee sị anyị o wee sị ndị mmadụ because ịma na ha pụta ha debe ahụ ka ha gosi ife ha ahụ ha ebido claim nonsense o wee gwa ndị mmadụ na Okwuluọra na if he tell Okwuluọra that guy too do, that guy too talk also. But if that guy Okwuluọra kerifo Okwuluọra no kerifo Podoria no also no a civil matter na the highest thing I emewo ejideye or damages or a megono but na no ife ejiwe suppose he detain here for more than 14 days because you know for more than 48 hours. That he will work and ensure that Nigeria yapota. If all interested now in intimidation part of it, some of them are malo. Some of them malo. Some of them are maholo. You got to go maholo, but they keep putting out of their emotions. They keep putting out of their emotions. They think that now God deals with emotion of people. Yes, they think that God deals with emotion of people. Infinity, thank you. You gotta go. That's what they are thinking. They think that when you cry, they think that when you shout, they think that when you open your eyes too wide, the court will hear by force what you want to say. They don't know that the court deal with fact. And when they talk about fact, they talk about fact that you can prove beyond every reasonable doubt. That is why Habulu emotion have from their family. Court, a competent court of competent jurisdiction issue a command. Somebody now bagaye. Somebody now bagaye. Instead of ndị mmadụ ya caution onye ha na-akọlọ ya aka. Build onye gesị, you have 121 viewers. How I wish you know 120, because on now the number 121 person. You have 80 persons. How I wish you know 79, because no go with the number 80 person. 50 viewers. How I wish you know 49, because no go the number 50 person. Noreba na aboka nkota. Ide 100 comment there. It is to my advantage. It is to my advantage. If I only eba, moon again, I'm gonna lose. Yes, moon again, I'm gonna lose. You gotta go. One day, any dim engagement. By one engagement, actually, kine de comment every 1 minute. In a pass for me, wo. I'm not going to de comment after 5 minutes. He does. The thing they will me wo. Actually, kine de comment here every 1 minute, every 2 seconds. If you're going, story, but story do too short. They go another one, but they go another one. Kita ofeke. They go another one. Kita ofeke. Kila fama we another one. Ofeke. Of course. Write another one. Write another one. Kita opo. Write another one. Opo. Mbokwa mpama. Kedife mma akpo eketa. Mpama there another one now. Oh, oga ina adasukwa aka o. O dekwa another one. Atụrụ dekwa ọzọ. Ọ baka na ma ejije jos. If you na-eme aya eruzikwo 100 comments. Atụrụ ngwa dekwa ọzọ. Dekwa nna anyị ala ina adana m aka na if you na-eme ọ baka na ma ejije jos. We are counting to 100 comments. If you name me, you lose 50. When make sure 50 can do okay. 50 can do okay. Build up ofeke. Biko kamba no TikTok mood. Ema no nto aka gift assist nye gift. Ofeke. Right. Build up. Right. Send lion. Right comment. You are taking time. Build that. Ofeke builder. Write another one. Opo egwu amaka. You need take his time. In adolum now. You suppose you dey comment every minute, every second. You dey comment. Oh, kisi be dem bika buana. Tap. Right. Ofeke builder. Tap. Send gifters, where are you? Send lion. Where are you? Kelebonono. Oh. You will write when you like. You can go now. Okay, that's cool. Yeah. Igbo amụrụ onye no ego. It's a choose time and date. Oh, Osreta, you buy phone for me. The worst thing here we be na page mo. It be the nonsense. Now the worst thing here is to come to my page. It be the nonsense. Comment ni nunu ne da metum. I don't care. Masoro ye no you malo. I don't care. You gotta go. I don't care. So the best thing here nọrọ na my page. If you want to write comment, they comment ka onye isi do mma. Ede no comment ka onye ala because also ho maka esi awu ala. Or ide comment ka onye ala aban na mood ndị ala. Chupu chigatakwa back to mood ndị mmadụ. Because ka na akuzira ayuche, ka na afukwa ala ahụ ma na ala ado. Ịghọtago? Ka na akuzira ayuche, ka na akuzira ayi ezu n'oyi. Anyị makwa na izu oyi do. Ka na asị anyị ama n'ụla, anyị na-afụ ndị ama n'ụla. Ịghọtago? Ịbụ n'ụfọdụ anyị na-afụ n'ụla builder ashụkwanụ m ishe esigo. Ọ bụ ị nọrọ ebe a kịta ịfụ na kọmentị ị na-ede kịta na-eboost engagement page m. Oh, ịpụ ebe a kịta owuwe m iwe. So I will not like you to go. Don't go. My people, this video on my page here. Which day can make this video? 22nd of August 2024. We stand as it will stand as all deported guys are in Zion talking rubbish for them to have value. Ezugo, Akozion, Skibo, small time, Ogeshi Wunjaka will join them. Or you people. Now, this Tony Wosu. Nekwo frame Jesus Christ ka ọ dọ na nwa njanja room ebe a o ji ahụmako glass wee mado mirror na wall. Ti fan na-adọ n'aja ebe a, fan na-adọ ebe a, o si etu apịa isi na n'eku. Nekwo njanja ebe ọ nọ. Nekwo njanja ebe ọ nọ. Bulu Samsung phone a na-ele 29,000 were achọ ndị deport. Hey, na join no association of deported guys. I'm telling you, you will not lose. Join no association of deported guys. You will not lose. If for group in that game, Akusi Akosayo na agụọ agụọ skibo comedy agụọ m Chineke onye ka mbụ Chineke a na-agụzi mụ na Akosayo n'ofu ebe na-agụ mụ na skibo comedy ofu ebe nwanne tụọ na-ezu gị igwe nwanne. If they never deport you, you no go make money. If they never deport you, you no go make money. Deport Akozion bupụta ogbe ego wee rụzoro bitters factory. Deport Akozion bupụta ego wee rụzoro bitters factory. Deport Skibo wee nọ Nigeria at the end of every month. Nwanne Skibo na-agba Lexus 460 a na-ele 30 million to 40 million. A deported somebody na-agba yo. Skibo nwelu about moto ito. The least moto anọghọ less than 12 million. Mana onye na-ekwu na-edeport mmadụ edeport mile fan n'etiti aja. Mile fan n'etiti aja. Onye ọma na Galilee, I greet you. Ọ mile fan n'etiti aja here. Etu aka ha esi agba egbe ọnụ. Wuru na-amago sonde ka ha. Nyanwa na-ekwu ndị deport aka nidiri inye election. Ọ bụrụ na ebe ahụ nọ because that room mfụlụ ọ nọ na ịmụkwụ no room ịdụ proud na ka ihe tiri Facebook. Meaning na nke ahụ itiri na ewu gaskiya ka ọwụ ute mkpọmkpa phone o si etu adewe na mgbamgba mmiri haka ahụ maka ada ebe a were achọ ndị deport. Ịmụkwụ na ụdị onye a na-ekwu ife a nidiri ịkwado jee na airport gwahado bunanụ na afụfụ ezugo. Bunanụ na this suffering is enough. Emego m program ahụ ugboro one. Emego that program ugboro one. Iji esi ndị mmadụ bunanụ m na afụfụ a na-ata n'ike ya agwụgo m. Ị na-achọ ndị. I thank God you people will keep elevating me. Keta unu edewe na level akụ Zion and Skibo. Pọlụ ndedebe agba oge echi. Ifikola ebe unu debelu m. One day unu ya edewe mụ na gọvanọ Soludo n'ofu ebe ọ na-ewe mmanụ na-emechie n'akwụkwọ. One day mmadụ ya edewe mụ na gọvanọ Soludo ma ọ Bola Ahmed Tinubu n'otu rank all in the name of law na akọm ọnụ. ezugo ịwụdashi ezugo kara aka ịghọtago iju ogugu ịṅụrụ udo. I will keep talking to the very dark man the same way I spoke to Ijele. It is left for you to have sense or allow your pride to swallow you. When your pride swallows you, I will come to this page morning, afternoon, night. It will see a Mary Ijele program. I will keep repeating it. The same way it's a makanke chemist shop. I will keep repeating it. I will keep repeating it. Repetition kaijiaga. Yes. I will keep repeating it. We can understand. Just like I said before. For the new problem from family level. There is really nothing we can do to help you. I understand. But nkụta na-eme ọpụta n'etiti ebe ndị mmadụ bi. Ọ na-eme ka onye mu ife. Ọ iwurugoda na ma abụ n'ime ọfịa. Ịpụtakwa na ndị mmadụ. Ịbịakwa ka ịsha aja karat. Ịghọtago ana ma abụ n'ime ọfịa. Ịpụta n'ebe ndị mmadụ bi. Ịbịa ka ịsha aja karat. You can't do that. I repeat. Ebe very dark man na walk in now. Where he is walking in now. It is not going to be against him and anybody. You want to go? Okay. Infinity Ijele Ezenna. If you drop that kind of comment here again, I will block you immediately. You want to go? I will block you immediately. If you drop this kind of... In fact, I am giving you 2 minutes to delete this comment. I am giving you 30 seconds to delete this particular comment here. Or I will block you from this page. In fact, I will not give you that chance. Off this page you go. No need giving you no need giving you any opportunity. Agwa m unu na ụfọdụ n'ime unu lack serious home training. Azụrụ ụfọdụ n'ime unu azụ, and that lack of home training or blow people like us ya ata afụfụ. Ịghọtago ụfọdụ n'ime unu azụ ha azụ enye home training or people like us ya atazi afụfụ ọzụzụ azụ ha unu. Ịghọtala ana ma atụrụ n'ime ọfịa pụtazie n'igwe ebe ndị mmadụ bi. Ọchọzie ka ndị mmadụ taba afụfụ ndụ obiri n'ime ọfịa. It's not possible. It's not possible. So, now, very dark man, it is going to be him and the Uli, and not him and the me, or me and Pastor Jeremiah. For the sake of clarity, let me say it again. Only because we told them that Nade Kulumiri Abakwasane no Okute. Very dark man Gwalono na Pastor Jeremiah instructor workers here, he listen all those spiritual materials. It is 100% asset. Onyomana Galilee, I thank you. Anama for your effort. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah? It is lie. Amanda she. Ukwana make vole betum. Ukwana make vole betum. It is lie and the 100% lie. Now, on a program, Jeremiah name, for the sake of that program, Owe Gwafa hele na that materials for the sake of that program until that program end there, of which na that program has ended. The sales has commenced again. Ishi kwisina koda, ije kwisina koda. Number 2, Oseleono. Now those materials adrozi na website that the Jeremiah. Nguma no onweru na ekuye openly na aba ijego na that website shake ye efohoye. Je na that website shake ye, they are all there with their price tags. The account number is very much available there. Very dark man je gonke 600 and something thousand. Ngoma je gonke 10 million. Ngonyo basalo. The money finds his back, himself back to the charity organization pocket there back. Yes, Go to that website. That account number there belonged to a charity organization. Nobody knew until they drew the attention of people to that website. That was when people like us, no couples were shopped. Oh, actually, so now, these materials is not even going into the pocket of Pastor Jeremiah, but rather it is going into the pocket of a named charity organization, which you will find out when you go to that place. Now, Jezie na that charity organization, Jemme pay if you that charity organization now, ki we gwam reason patalo na mmiri ya haya lolo. Ki gwam the reason patana olive oil haya lolo. Gwam the reason patana that stone on that sand. No ya lolo. When you have sowed that seed into the life of the people needing help. When you have sowed that seed into the life of the needy ones, the same reward ye nweta nije motherless baby's home, the same reward ye nweta na igalo na less privileged home is the same reward ye nweta na igolu that mmiri, because by buying that water you have given to the needy. Pastor Jeremiah is very intelligent. Now I can clearly see the mystery behind all those spiritual materials. You want to go? Yes. Now I understand the mystery behind all those spiritual materials. So when you buy, you have given to the needy. That's your prayer point now. Indirectly. You have Iwago God to say, because I have wiped up tears from the eyes of Onya, God, please come and wipe up tears from my own eyes. Tell me why, if your faith connects to that water, you cannot receive your healing. Tell me why. Can you tell me why? Tell me why. Water is even better. If you can buy water as your faith directs you, what stops you from buying stone? Amanda Shi, Lola Eduma. What stops you from buying stone if your faith directs you? And what stops you from buying sand? If you can go to the mountain to go and pray, why can't you buy stone? I am asking you. I insist. I am not against anybody buying any spiritual material anywhere, for as long as now your faith directly to do so. Yes, a lot of those spiritual materials in go. I am not disputing the fact. You want to go? Tochuku Collins, anamele wig. Esho biaka lesego. So kita ngwagolugu na apart from praising Ebukobi, actually, Ohose Ebukobi can praise. I praise a lot of people. I praise people for a living. Also, yes, apart from Nanele wig, which you can actually come and patronize me. If you cannot buy wig for me, I am telling you also that I praise people for a living. I am a hype man for a living and for a reason. So if you like, come and pay me. Hype. I will hype that person. Can you continue watching now? Can you continue watching now? Keep watching. Oh no, everywhere they praise Matthias. So Matthias call your woman to praise her, or won't know he praise him. Tell me why I will praise Matthias. Tell me why I will praise Matthias. Tell me why I will praise Matthias. Because in Kerebe shop ndo. Ili to her na Market Square. Bomb na phone. Jena page number mo deba. Ili to her na Market Square na go. Bomb na phone. Man ifele me wuo na ebia lu eba ha. Ogaranya to kago wi beto. Ifele me wuo na ebia lu eba ha. At least you go whole week 200,000 or 300,000. Ki we go se na kalaka. Ifele ye mewu. I will ensure none none at that street mugitorugamu. Don't dare me even. You cannot afford to try me. Ili to her na Market Square go. Or one of my vacation is Sunday. Up I walk to her na Market Square go. achọdụ m ịma na ọwụ criminal ka ọ nọhọ nyabịa ili to ha na market square wolu nọmba m here kpọọ m na phone si m ezugo na m nọ na market square. You will come to where you will see me igolu wig. I am not against anybody buying spiritual materials from anywhere. If na Oba Feluna, no verse now, I want to patronize you. Oba Feluna, when you give them the right answer, hanidiri, they will run away. How about Felu? Because na Facebook I've told you people, my own is different. My own is very much different. I will not overhammer on it, but my own is very much different. Remember, I am not stopping you from buying any spiritual material anywhere. Your faith leads you to do so. Do that. Okay, look at foundation Jeremiah made for his own. Look at foundation. Hey, Onyomana Galilee, you are doing a very wonderful job now. This is my page. Only God will bless you, my dear. With a lot of others. Only God will bless you. You want to go? Okay, look at foundation Jeremiah laid on Nke. Do you know now that no, you are paying that money to the needy? Do you know? So, if you have given that money to the needy, why do you think that if your faith connect to that water, that God cannot meet you at the area of your need? I am telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. So now, can you even do difficult in the mother water? When you pay that money, you are paying into the account of a charity organization. Indirectly, when they are praying for people who are helping them, they are indirectly praying for you. They are indirectly praying for you. And God, seeing that you have wiped up their tears, will show mercy on you. It makes sense now. Yeah? Ceremonies, of course, I can do that. I can do that now. In box one now. Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. Yeah. And I make a go now. And I send the people wig outside Nigeria, even America, Canada, anywhere. Or when on Nigeria, you know, I send to everywhere. I have people here who can confirm. Yeah. Somebody do go one name. Somebody do go one name. Somebody do can name. And these other people Google wig, and they have received their package. Yeah, so you can inbox me. Onye say, go and sit down. I pray reality will hit you or any of your dear friends. Or when you go fake if I ben. Why they are pokrusi about wepo? Reality ye hit him on a hoyarium. I have a personal doctor. Yes, I pray to my God for everything I need in this life. I have a family doctor who can even attend to me. No a health issue that I need to go to the hospital. Who says I will enter my car and go to Mpokuka? Mataya Sidewelu. Never. It is for people like you. Jeba ke won to bawo. Jeba kwa nkasa no wo famongozi ko gono. Jeba ko wo ni duru eji akwa akwa we do kasisha velu. Ina cho reality. Which reality kono na akuzirim? Which reality kono na akuzirim? Eh? Anon nango okpa ala nyaa. taya moto ndị afọ mgbapụta side Ọkpala junction tinye nyagide bata ruo na my place lahụ ụla teta n'ụtụtụ ọwụ na taya ahụ defletri dị na-epịa m n'ana mpụ jebute vulcanizer ọ bịaruo ohi a rụọ ọrụ ntaya ma ọ pụọ. Is that not reality? Is that not reality? If it is not reality, what is that? What is that? Did I call you so that you can come and help me? Did I call you? Reality will hit you. Reality will hit you. As if reality is not hitting you every day of your life. Even some solution will be very close to you. But because of how blockheaded you will see solution. Even stuck in that reality. What do you know about reality? What do you know about reality? Reality. Ndị polisi bi ime mata ya arrest na mkpọ ọgbawa ọsọ. Ọ bịa mọkwa anya reality. Ọ mọkwa na asọ asị mmadụ dụ nga dụ ndụ. Asọ asị na asịrị onye aṅụ na nga na oyiwu anahụ. Ọmahọsị na ife ahụ reality that will befall anybody fail to work in accordance with the law. Ọgbawa ọsọ. Yeah? Emekwa ijere arrest, which is the reality. A grant a bail, which is the reality. You people fail to meet up with that reality. Court nye Verydarkman order that you should stop talking about Jeremiah. It is the reality. Now the reality that will befall him is if he keep talking about him, that is the reality. Such kind of reasonable reality. Unahi hope, unahi pray for it. Also reality of Ahoria. Ahoria mo apoda na ngugwa bia bujemu no ke ma hife. Na mu need akwa. I need to clothe myself. Jeneba de akwa go akwa. Is that not meeting up with the reality? I'm asking you. Ono potable na need this so you. So you don't even know that you crossing your boundary. There is a reality that will before you for crossing that boundary. You don't know. So reality yet ije na teaching hospital. Ndị mmadụ ju na teaching hospital. Onye n'ime ha ọwụ na eje akwụrụ hospital bill. But reality na afio. Matthias ube na onye isi mepe hospital. Ema hospitals one do na Nnewi. Ema private hospitals one do na Nnewi. Ema private clinic one and the chemist one do na Nnewi. Ema pharmacy shop a full pharmacy shop one do na Nnewi. I'm asking you. Oye jiwo Matthias mepe mkpọ kuko mepe na mkpọ na ogidi agbalaga njewe because of reality. Yeah? Doris agbalo si atarumile wele ekwe famu ngozi. Yeah? Famu ngozi. Jeba ka ewuru ntutu gbajie ike. Iya alugide ọkpa Iya alugide ọkpa. Ono na show reality every day. Reality. Ina akuziri ayi reality. The highest reality before alone in this time, which is EJ meet up with the bell condition EJ. Whenever you give meet, but every day reality and I feel no reality. Every day reality and I feel no. One day reality will be for you. One day reality will be for you. Or if you Matthias and Akusirono. Or if you Matthias and Akusirono. Mbalu nke mu ka m gbatalu Verydarkman today. I just felt go mpakala gamozo. We deal with the practical. Go na yeba aka topulu nke na nylon okwefuru ya okwefuru na ngwa nezi anya ebe fuel gauge edu if ofu ego ejie kedu ife ogosiri ego ọkwa ife ofu ego ejie the gem ka nyụpụrụ nothing less than ebe 1 hour plus 2 hours ago ka the gem ka nyụpụrụ ọkwa ifuru ya na-eyi eba okpo na-eyi eba okpo ifuru ebe fu ego ejie nọ na-eye thank you na-eye it is a brand new one another spare one do n'ime ụlọ nke a mebie another one apụta ịghọtago onye amaghị onye ka onye nwụrụ anwụ ịghọtago onye amaghị onye ka onye nwụrụ anwụ emegharị ya asịgo you don't want to put fuel put AC put AC put AC put AC put AC na-ehe high sense inverter expert look at it here very clean guess what this is getting to 2 years this is getting to 2 years Mbakala too local man dalo onafubo the fair ebe zugo no ko unu tichala aka na tipa well done sir good evening sir ebe zugo no ko unu tichala aka na tipa bu aja kuli aka ona akuli onafubo the ife onafubo the ife onafubo the ife oge mmeji gba ihe luo agba nya ma gba ihe because na okpodo ka enwe hotaga generator be ha kwuru okwu okpodo ka enwe hotaga generator ma gba ihe because of na okpodo ka kwuru okwu ịghọtago ma gba ihe because na okpodo ka kwuru okwu ma gba ihe mgbe m chọrọ ịgba ihe because na ma achọghị ịgba ihe that is what it takes to be a boss yes now ogizu shisango angos jee na family wu jee kpọrọ ụmụnna gị kpoje ha Japan ndị niile nọ n'ụmụnna gị ọ mmadụ one n'ime ha ya egotanwu generator ọfụ jee kpọrọ ha kpoje ha Japan ị na-achọ ka ebe kpọrọ mkpọta Japan jere ndo na amaghị ife ofeke ụnụ karịrị akarị jee na ụmụnna gị ị chọrọ ka nyere gị aka jee piki ofe onye ya kpoje Japan ụmụnna gị niile ha ncha nọ Japan ana m ajụ ụmụnna gị niile ha ncha niile nọ Japan ọnwụ niile dị ka nyere gị aka wee shuzuo onye ya akpoje Japan na onye ya akpoje tell me I can go there gbaudo Emeka na-agba mbọ Okeke na-agba mbọ kpọrọ Emeka mmechi ọbịa kpọrọ Okeke ịghọtago mgbata nke m ka m na-agbatara Verydarkman ịghọtago mgbata nke m ka m na-agbatara Verydarkman ọ maka ọnụ niile ụnụ na-akọ ọnụ niile ụnụ na-akọ ụnụ na-akọ ọnụ efu ọbụla ezugokonu ya ada akọ ọnụ a ịghọtago ife anyị na-agwa unu weziokwu ife anyị na-agwa unu weziokwu ahụmihe dị ya wụ ọ na-ekwu hit ya na-esue n'ahụ ọ na-achọpụ ụdị ije gotara ya okay bigonu may end this program now and I need to attend to something daalụ nde